Hi, I'm Kate at partykrill.com. I'm going to show you how to make a little notebook with some basic supplies. This is all you need that you probably have around the house. So you're going to take your patterned paper, fold it in half, and give it a nice crease, open up, line up your about 8 sheets of regular paper. I find that 8 sheets a regular stapler can handle no problem. And you're going to cut it in half. So this is the paper that came with the March printable, the free March printable for the Party Krill newsletter. It's a nice little springy bug flower paper. So you get it nice cut. All right, set one aside, line them up, give it a fold and then a nice crease. And then this next step is important to make sure that your stapler is going to work. So you're going to measure 4 inches and mark that on your notebook. And then you're going to cut off anything over that 4-inch mark. So this is going to make it so that the stapler can reach into the middle spine without any problem. If you have something besides a standard stapler, you can just measure from where the staple comes out to where the staple or the back of the stapler where it folds in on itself. But 4 inches should be standard. All right, so get that all cleaned up. And then you're gonna open it up and staple it. Make sure you know where your stapler comes out and then line it up with that crease that you made. So I use these for drawing, for grocery lists, all sorts of stuff. So give it a nice crease, and then you're gonna wanna cut off that extra bit at the bottom so it looks nice and professional, clean. And you can then recycle these when you're done. You can even leave the staplers in if you want to be really, or the staples in if you want to be really nice. You can take them out for your recycler, your local recycler. But make them, give them as gifts. And don't forget to sign up at partykrill.com for more free printables. Thank you.